Lyoplas NW is a freeze-dried plasma product derived from quarantined deep-frozen single-donation plasma. It's available in the blood groups A, B, O and AB. In the following, we will describe the procedure for reconstituting the freeze-dried plasma. First of all, take all the components out of the product box. One packaged unit of Lyoplas NW consists of a transfer set, an easy flex bag of water for injection, and a glass bottle containing the freeze-dried plasma. You will find all the relevant information on the label of the bottle. The water for injection and the freeze-dried plasma should be roughly equivalent to room temperature. Remove the protective cap from the plasma bottle and disinfect the stopper. Close the clamp on the transfer set and unscrew the cap from the Lyoplas connector. You can now connect the transfer set to the water bag using the Lyoplas connector. Uncap the spike of the transfer set and push the spike through the center of the rubber stopper into the bottle of freeze-dried plasma. You can now suspend the bag so that the bottle hangs freely. Check that the air filter cap is open. Now open the clamp so that the water can flow from the bag into the bottle of freeze-dried plasma. The connections between the bag, transfer set and glass bottle are stable. It is important not to press the bag as this will block the air filter. When the entire contents of the bag have been emptied into the bottle, close the clamp. You may gently swirl the bottle to accelerate the reconstitution process, but never shake the bottle. Avoid foaming. All solid particles will be dissolved within a few minutes and the plasma will then be ready for use. You now have two options for transfusion, either from the bottle or from the bag. Let's look at transfusion from the bottle first. Remove the transfer set together with the bag. Connect the administration set. The bottle may now be suspended by its hanger label. For transfusion from the bottle, you need an administration set with air vent and a 170 to 230 micrometer standard filter. If you want to administer the transfusion from the bag, keep the bag set and glass bottle together to begin with. It's essential to mark the bag. Do this by removing the larger of the three service labels from the plasma bottle and sticking the label on the empty bag. Now suspend the bottle by its hanger label. Check that the air filter cap is open. Open the clamp so that the reconstituted plasma can be transferred into the bag. Before any pressure transfusion, it's imperative that air is removed from the bag. Gently press the bag to allow supernatant air to escape via the transfer set. Then close the clamp. Before disconnecting the transfer set from the bag, check that the barcode numbers on the bag are identical to those on the bottle. You can then remove the transfer set. You may use a standard administration set, which does not require any air vent. Lyoplas NW is a freeze-dried plasma product derived from quarantined deep-frozen single-donation plasma. Lyoplas NW is used in the same indications as therapeutic frozen plasma. Lyoplas in W may be stored at temperatures between +2 degrees and +25 degrees Celsius. Lyoplas in W has a shelf life of 15 months. It's available in the blood groups A, B, O, and AB. Each packaged unit of Lyoplas in W contains 200 ml freeze-dried human plasma, 200 ml water for injection, and a transfer set. The active ingredients are identical to those of deep-frozen therapeutic plasma. It takes only a few minutes to dissolve the freeze-dried plasma in the supply water for injection, making Lyoplas in W readily available when needed. This summary of product characteristics can also be downloaded from our website. Further informations and our contact details are available at www.lyoplas.de and lyoplas.com.